This shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you alone.
Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm so excited to share with you guys the slay on my Yolissa body wave 26-inch unit. Deets will be in the description. But y'all, when I first got this wig, I just knew that I wanted to do a skunk patch, and that's basically what I did. For a skunk patch, you just want to take the amount of hair that you want to bleach and just bleach it, girl. Bleach it a few times if you have to, because I had to do mine 3 times to achieve this really pretty blonde shade. But once I finished the bleaching process, I knew for a fact that I wasn't going to keep it blonde just because I just didn't like it personally on me. If I would have toned it, maybe I would have had, stuck with it for a little bit longer, but I was like, you know what, we're gonna have to throw a color on it. So I just wanted to show you guys the initial install, and then maybe like a month later I played with some color on it. But this hair is phenomenal. But I will be talking to you guys in a little bit so I can give you guys the new install as well as my thoughts on this hair, and just chatting it away with you guys. Hey y'all, welcome back to the video. I'm sure I explained in the voice over or in the intro about what's going on. So this is me reinstalling my Yolissa Hair, so we'll keep it as simple as that. And I want to show you guys the new color that I chose to do, the skunk. Very indecisive during this process. I didn't know if I wanted to be orange. I didn't know if I wanted to do an ombre with the skunk. After I had it blonde, I went cinnamon, and then I didn't really care for the cinnamon. I just felt like it was really basic. So I decided to throw paprika from the Kiss hair dye over the cinnamon, and now we have like a really cool burgundy color. So this will be my first time installing it as this color for the skunk patch. So I'm really excited. So with this install, I am going to be using a new hairspray because I told you guys in my previous video that I finally got my hands on this olive oil hairspray, and this stuff is really, really strong, really good. I wanted to do a ball cap method, but honestly, I'm in the mood. I just want to show you guys what the hair looks like now in this really beautiful paprika type of shade. I do have a flesh tone cap on, and this has to be one of my favorite colors. Usually I try to go with brown because brown is just always the safest. To be dark brown, it can be the same color as my shirt, but this one actually looks like my foundation powder. So I really do like this tone. I actually had got it from a company that sent it in a hair box. So, because my beauty supply store, they be struggling with trying to keep up with the nude shade wig caps. I be having to go all the way to a whole different county just to find the perfect tones for me. But the one that's closest to my crib, they be struggling. I didn't add foundation powder, so I'm gonna regret that. But hopefully, since I have my beats on, it'll blend pretty good. The initial install was really nice. I just didn't care for the baby hairs towards the end of the video. And that's when I kind of noticed that I didn't like the blonde. I don't really like blonde on me. My cousin always wants me to have like a blonde wig. And I'm just like, boy, we're not doing that. It has to be like a specific blonde color for me to actually care for it. But I didn't care for it initially, so that's when I knew that I was going to have to get some dye and throw a color over it so I actually could rock this unit. Now that it's a little dry, I'm going to go in with the face powder.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out, so some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind, can you get the heck out, I need rest now, got me bummed out, you, baby, I've been on my empty mind, shit, I should've given more, should've best of me. I will be that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Now I'm trying to make a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some similar shit that made a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me. Too sweat, but it will face up in front of me. All the while, trying to wait my arm, I feel it is now. Still wanna try, still believe in. My fears, my limitations, I disappear if you live. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Got it on my own, my first two bit alone. Play to live, play to kill the fool. Know you like that shit. Safe to take a step out, kiss him and now let your edge out. Toss some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I will be that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, Wayne think he was holding me. Choose right, but it will face up in front of me. Oh,
we're gonna do a little swoop with the edges using this edge control. I was trying to find my eyebrow brush, but it's gonna be like it might not be too subtle because I did make these baby hairs pretty out there, pretty loud.
My fears, my limitations, I disappear if you live. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Got it on my own, my first two bit alone. Play to live, play to kill the fool. Know you like that shit.
I'm gonna go downstairs and get my package and then I'll come back. I was gonna throw a curl in it, but I really love this hair without a curl, you guys. Like, this is a body wave unit, 26-inch, but do you guys see the quality? Do y'all see the quality? And the color is so nice with the hair because this hair is actually like natural brown. But this hair is actually natural brown, but I feel like it's a really dark natural brown, almost close to like a natural black, and I just feel like it blends so well. And this is like the perfect like fall color theme for some hair, and I'm loving it. Just one more little slick down. talk about it. I had to call Twan and share my style with him because I was like, I know he's gonna love it. I think he really loves burgundy hair, but he adores it. It's really the hairline, the baby hairs, everything, the beads. I've been sitting on this bead for almost like an hour or two. I wish it was completely fresh, but I'm about to go and take some photos. Oop. I'm about to go take some pictures because we can't let this go to waste. We can't let this go to waste, y'all. We gotta get some content, fresh content out of this. I love the layers that I put in the hair so it can fall and it doesn't have to be too much in my face. So I love that about it. When I say the quality though, I be telling y'all, Yolissa definitely, any Yolissa hair video of mine will let you know about the quality. This just ups them a few more notches because once again, this is body wave hair that looks amazing. And the good thing about body wave hair, it is a little bit more versatile than straight hair because it comes with a natural. It's about having like a subtle wave in your hair if you are a versatile type of girl when it comes to your weaves. Give me your feedback on it. Let me know if you guys love it. I love the fact that I don't even have to do this because sometimes I be having to do that so I can feel comfortable with, you know, running errands with the wigs and stuff like that. But now I know what technique I'm gonna do so, you know, my wigs can look good. I never really thought to use edge control on weave, and look what we came across today. It actually looks fire. It looks super natural, and that band just added extra security and lay to the hair. But yeah, so I'm glad that I turned this camera back on and showed you guys this part of the install because I would have been so upset if it came out this fire without having you guys here with me. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will list all of Yolissa's information in the description box below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so when you see this hair, you already know the vibes. You already know where it's coming from. And if you are coming from my Instagram, hello y'all. I told y'all this was some bomb hair because I know it's somewhere on my Instagram. So yeah, I love you guys and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.